So in today's video, we are going to learn copy method in Python list, right? And we will learn what the copy method is and its syntax and how, when to use it and how it works with the practical examples, right? And also we will look at common mistake that beginners make while copying the list, right? So first of all, we will discuss about what is the copy method. The copy method creates a copy of the original list and returns it as a new list, right? So it creates the original list, returns a new list, right? So let's look at the syntax. This is the syntax, right? The new list is equal to list name dot copy, right? So that copy list name will store in list new list, right? It will print on the screen, right? So let's look at a first example, right? So we have a list of 4 numbers, right? Suppose I want to print a original list, right? This is the original list, right? Answer will become same, but it copying the list, right? So we will create a new list, right, of numbers is equal to, we will write the numbers origin list, we are going to copy into new list, right? Now I will print copy the list, right? Now we will print new list, right? So it will run. Now I will run this program. So this is the copy of, right? In the next example, we have a real life code example, right, in which we have stored the string values, right? Print the original list. Then after we have created new list that is called backup students, right? That students list will copy in that backup students, right? Then after we will print on the screen and you will get the output, right? Now I will run this program. So this is the output, right? So this is all about the copy method in Python, right? Python list. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe.